Alright, YouTube, Dog 206. Got a special video for you guys today. We're going to be installing my rear diffuser. Shout out to Vicrez for the rear diffuser. I got it for a decent price. I think I got it on the Labor Day sale. It was like 35% off or something like that. So I got it for like 200 something, I think. But I think it's gonna look good. I bought the ones with the red trimming. As you can see, got a little flat black. Of course, they put the Vicrez sticker on there. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna take that off and put Dog, because I gotta let them know who Dog is. Especially when they looking at them tail lights and they looking at that rear diffuser, they need to know who they seeing. So we gotta put Dog right there. No offense to Vicrez, but I give you guys a shout out. So today, what came in the package pretty much was these fins and basically the rear diffuser base or whatnot. And then these are for the outsides because I got the 3-piece rear diffuser. So it's the inside, these are the outside pieces. And it came with a whole bunch of tap screws and screws and nuts and L brackets. So we're gonna be drilling some holes in the Dog. I ordered these rods off Amazon. We're gonna try to find a way to help use this to support the diffuser. Probably make it look a little cooler too, so make it look a little more exotic, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna see how we're gonna do this. I'm judging, I checked out their video a little bit. So first thing I'm gonna do is take out the tabs at the bottom if I have my flashlight or a camera. There's tabs underneath the diffuser. So we're going to take out all the tabs. And then we're going to use the actual diffuser itself, the screws and all that, to hold the diffuser up. So, alright YouTube, basically, so far I just popped out those little pins, or the, what do you call it? I forgot the name of the piece. The little, let me just show them. These little tabs or whatnot. I forgot what it's called. I usually know what it's called, but I popped these out from the bottom of the rear trim. And then now I'm just putting in all the hardware that Vicrez, they were generous enough to put holes already in here, so I didn't have to measure these out. But I'm just putting in screws and L brackets in there. And then I'm putting this Gorilla tape on here too, so that way, basically when it's rubbing up against here, hopefully it could actually stick on there. That might help. I don't know if it's gonna stick or not, but it's just something to protect the trim that's already on the Challenger from getting scratched up. So right now that's what I'm working on. I'm just laying some trim down on here and then just cutting it just to make it fit right along the edge of it. So I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. All right, YouTube, basically what I did was, hold it back down there, like underneath. I got my hardware put on there. You can see it on the bottom. Just something to help keep it sturdy. Then I kind of like lined it up, centered it. And I at least tried to just get these two center fins lined up to where I want it, and then the outer fins I can adjust it, measure it, away from each, and I just eyeballed it with my license plate, so I think it should be fairly decent. You can take it back off. Then also to find out what drill bit I needed, which it turned out being my 3/16 drill bit. I just took out one of the little L brackets that was in the fins, like flip it over. Well, fold it up like that. I just took out one of the L brackets where you see where this little nut is in there, and I just kept checking different sizes or whatnot, and just kept sticking in there. Whichever one fit in there, that's the one I chose. I went a size up, a size bigger, and it wouldn't get through, so I just stuck the drill bit in there just to figure out what size they already used to drill these out, so I could drill these out too. So you can see that fits too. So all right, get back with you guys in a little bit. All right, so basically what I did was I just got 2 holes started. I held the base of the board underneath and kind of got it along the edge, because underneath there's like higher level type of parts that are longer than the actual screws that's going in. So tried to just get it on a flat surface, on a more level part that's more level with the actual baseboard. So for these holes that I'm actually drilling with the fins, I'm just sliding the fins on. I already taped it, kind of had it leveled out. I basically held up the board and then just threw some tape. I put all the fins on there, well actually just the center fins, and then taped it. I don't know if I recorded that part already. Did I record that one? Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
And then, so now I'm just kind of like keeping it level. I double measured it again, you know, it was about 11 inches to this point, and then 11 inches from this side to that point. So just to level it out even better. And then I just mark the holes with the drill or whatnot. It's just so I can have some spots to know where I'm at. And then I can honestly just slide that to the side and turns out. And I decided to put the L brackets underneath it just to kind of hide the brackets a little better. Gotta get that stuff off. All right, then we got one fin done. And now I'm just gonna repeat the same thing for the other sides, so. All right, I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. All I did was just put them along the edge. Hold on, let me get you some real light. All I did was put them along the edge, basically anywhere where you can get the most level surface on the back side. On the back side of this. So just try to get it, and the only place I could really get it was on the edge. Because above the edge is, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, it's unleveled. So just try to give it to the most level parts on the edge, screw it in. And I'm doing a little bit something different just to give myself a little extra brace. I'm gonna show you guys at the end. Give my diffuser a little extra support. So that's how it looks so far. I think that looks good. I guess I left space here for a reason, so stay tuned and see what I do with it. All right, I got my side pieces for my diffuser already bolted on. I'm gonna stick that here. It's probably gonna have to sit on the edge a little bit. That's only because the tailpipe's going, I don't want it to be too close to it. Heat it up or something. So it's gonna probably sit on the outside a little bit like that. All right. Oh yeah, it's gonna look good. All right, YouTube, we got the centerpiece done. That's what it looked like. Yeah. You can't tell me that ain't snap right there. Can't tell me that don't snap. Got the red rods in there. Can't tell you how I did that one. That's my drip right there. Y'all can probably see it and figure it out, but yes, sir. All right, we're about to put these two last pieces on there and go for a ride. Sure, it's the last two pieces. Those are going on each side. All right, YouTube, and there we have it. I'll show you guys exactly what I did. I'm gonna add some more bolts here just to strengthen it up. You only got so much meat to work with, so kind of just try to get as many in there as you can. Then what I do is I literally just rub my fingers, because I know exactly where my finger's gonna be when I slide my hand across it. So I usually just go like that, and I know exactly where I need to drill to put a nut and screw one in. Screw a nut in on this side. These are just the tap screws. The ones that just drill straight in and just stay there. The other one, I'm about to put one back here. That's gonna be the one that's gonna have the nut on it. This is the right passenger side, if you guys can't tell. So you're gonna see how it does. I mean, it's already holding pretty good with just the tap screws, but I want that extra security. Oh, I think it looks mean though. It looks real mean. Side profile looks even nastier. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get back with you guys. Well, actually, I'm ready to conclude the video now. So just make sure you guys subscribe. Yes, I got on a different shirt because I did this the next day. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit the like button, hit the notification bell. Once you hit that bell, make sure you click the all. Appreciate you guys. On to the next video. HemDog206 out. Peace.